Welcome to another property video presentation by Kingslcliff Sales and Rentals. Here we're taking off its drone, we're flying over the main beach and we're approaching the Paradiso building, which is located right in town and opposite the surf club and opposite the newly developed Rowan Robertson Park in Kingscliff. Here's a bird's eye view of the building itself, right in the main street in Kingscliff, cafes and restaurants on your doorstep. Inside the complex as well, there's an in-ground pool. We'll come back to the facilities in the building in a minute. Step inside the property, you go into a sunroom that's sheltered by aluminium shutters. They're lockable, by the way. Then stepping inside, you've got a generous tiled living room. It's got a split system air conditioning on the wall. Very modern inside. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances. Also ceramic cooktop, dishwasher as well. Main bedroom is at the rear of the building, so it's quiet position at the rear. It's got ceiling fan, split system air conditioning on the wall. Also a balcony. Ensuite bathroom to the main bedroom. Second bedroom has built-ins as well. This property is for sale, by the way, furnished. A study as well off the living area, so you can easily extend the living area and main bathroom here. Internal laundry complements the picture. And once again, we show you the facilities in the building. In-ground pool, barbecue cabana, together with landscape gardens. Also a spa pool in the building. Also there's a mini gymnasium and steam room. And other facilities in the building, including a lift to all levels for the basement car parking, which is security, and there is no allocation, so it's and we finish with our final clip. It's a fly down from the street behind. There's the Paradiso building there, is circled right opposite the beach, right in town in Kingscliff. It doesn't get any better than this. For more details on viewing this property, please call Julian, Cleak, selling salesperson, 0400 617 494. Email him at julian@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more information on this property, visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.